All kinds of critters come out in that high water. Sadly, we know for a fact firsthand here in Houston, and hoping we don't have to worry about any slithery sightings tomorrow, Dave.
I would really urge everybody to watch us in the morning, 4:30 to 7. There may very likely be some spots in southeast Texas where we have road trouble because of heavy rain that we may pick up overnight. Flash flood watch is in effect for our northern counties. It now includes Montgomery County. Montgomery County, we're beginning to see rain develop now in the eastern half of the county and then stretching into Polk and San Jacinto County, and that may build up to be several inches of rain by the time the morning comes tomorrow morning. Bush, high temp was 95, Tomball hit 95, Hobby 94, about normal for this time of the year. Temps were held that way by abundant cloud cover today. 85 is the current temp. We're one warmer than yesterday at this time. It's very humid. Dew point at 76. That's even high by Houston summer standards. It just represents the incredible amount of moisture that's available in the atmosphere to feed rain and thunderstorms. Now, this is the way their radar looks this evening. We had a line of storms coming in from the west earlier that was solid. It basically broke in two, with the southern half heading down toward Victoria and now showing signs of trying to weaken a little bit. And then this stuff up here near Polk and San Jacinto County has been dumping some pretty heavy rain here for the past couple of hours. And there are some reports of some high water on some of the rural roads up here in Polk County, so be very careful at night. That can be very, very dangerous. Here's a closer look. You see the lightning and thunder from Ace to Livingston to Corrigan and then east across Polk County. And at the moment, it's a few light scattered showers in Montgomery County, but I think we may see that begin to expand overnight tonight, so we'll be watching that carefully through the wee hours this morning. By 6 a.m., it may be widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms, and there may be a few high water spots out there by tomorrow morning. So again, we're on the air for you. Just leave it here when you go to bed, and when you wake up, turn it on. We'll be there for you. By the time we get to noon tomorrow, still scattered showers, maybe some of the heavier stuff pushing offshore, but then a new line of showers may fire up. The atmosphere is very unstable. We have a boundary in place at the surface. There'll be little pieces of energy come along like spokes on a wheel. Every time one comes along, you'll see the showers fire up. That line moves off. Then by 8:30, look, another spoke comes in of scattered showers and maybe some thunder showers. So the next 24, 36 hours may be very, very active. Here's the setup. It's a surface frontal boundary trailing behind an area of low pressure. That will park itself over southeast Texas. That is the focusing mechanism to create these rounds of rain. How much rain? Widespread in the lighter blue, it's a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. In some other places, the purple and red, that's getting up to 2.5 to 4 inches of rain. But in some spots, I think it is likely we will see some totals 5 to 8 inches, and those are the spots that would see more of a flash flooding and street flooding problem. In the tropics, things are relatively quiet. Nothing here in the Gulf of Mexico. Carib's quiet. This spot way out here in the open Atlantic has a low chance, a 30% chance for development over the next 5 days. Nothing we need to be concerned about in the tropics right now. Really, it's the heavy rain threat, which will be at 80% tomorrow morning, 50% by noon, 40% by tomorrow afternoon. The extended forecast keeps at least a 50-50 chance going Wednesday and Thursday. And then it's scattered showers, but down to a 40% chance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We stay in this wet weather pattern. We're busting the drought, but I'm concerned about overnight and tomorrow morning with some spots that could see a little too much.
All right, we'll check in with Cheetah in the morning. Thank you, Dave.